Hi guys, I'm gonna be making, I'm gonna be playing Animal Company. So, yeah, I might do a trading video. Those tend to go viral. Yeah. Go viral. Okay, guys, I'm just gonna be probably catching scammers. So, yeah. Anybody want to trade?
Oh, you can jump down.
Does anybody want to trade?
Yo, it's like on my back. I can see it. I just got in the stash. Hold on.
Oh my gosh.
Hey, Daddy, catch him.
Indianish.
I'm gonna go to a private lobby. Hold on.
I'm just gonna find people if I want to trade. I might cut this part out. I might not. So. Does anybody want to trade? What in the heck is this?
What the heck is that?
It's a leg.
It's
Me, get that
If you want to be in my YouTube channel,
Does anybody want to trade?
who wants to hear my beep?
I want to trade.
Go to couch.
Okay. Yo, guys.
Do you want to trade?
Guys, watch this. Yeah.
Okay, add me.
Watch this. Okay. Everybody, watch this. Everybody, watch this.
I add you.
Okay.
Okay. I'll join you. Just join a random code. I'll join you.
Big bot, bet that package out.
He might be a scammer, guys. I don't know.
I'm going offline.
2 people. He doesn't know the code. Alright.
I'm not even a member. I just put in a random code.
Okay.
Oh, my back is broken. Saddle.
Do you want to trade for?
Um,
I have a team.
let's see what I have.
Oh, one that's going to the floor.
What the heck is this crap? I think that's...
What are you trading for?
What do you want?
I don't know, probably. Yeah, galaxy items maybe. Modded.
Galaxy? Modded a galaxy or like galaxy items?
Yeah, like. What do you want to trade?
Let me. I'd like a let me look. I don't want like items you can't put in like bags. I don't want that.
Okay.
I like. Let me see. I can take some galaxy stuff. I have a galaxy snowball. I think this.
So like this? Nope, I like that. Never mind. Nope, not that.
Is this galaxy? I can't see any shine.
Yeah, that's galaxy.
You want this?
Do you want
can
this?
put
I'll take
ammo.
that. Do you want this?
Nah.
I don't
Let me
want
put ammo in it. See
boxes.
if it works. Do you want? So you want the gun?
Sure.
Okay.
I have a lot of these. You want this?
Well, that's big. But
You can
I
put it in the bag.
I could take OG items or
Oh, but finally, somebody
cool
wants
items.
OG.
I like cool items.
Please.
I want like OG items or cool items.
OG. I mean, the boombox is OG.
Yeah, but I don't want that. I already have a few of those. I'm putting my gun in this. Wait, let me try to do a trick shot. Let me try to do a trick shot with this brand. Okay, let me take it out.
OG pink.
I got it out. I threw the other bag away.
Chocolate.
I have this.
Okay, I know I have OG items. Like a OG apple or a cracker, or like Galaxy.
I could take a cracker. Do you have like a pumpkin pie though?
I don't
pumpkin
think
pie.
I do. I traded them. I have a pumpkin.
A pumpkin? Do you have like an let me see.
Pumpkins are OG.
I know. Do you have like let me find it. Do you have like let me see. I can't find it. Do you have like golden shotguns?
Fine. Yes, I do. Finally.
Well, this is one of my golden shotguns.
Is this a golden shot? Yeah, gold shotgun. Like this?
Yeah, I can take that. You know what? I'm gonna trade 2 items. I'm gonna trade my pistol and my golden shotgun.
I'm gonna refill it. See, it has ammo.
This has ammo too, but I don't own the ammo, so I
Okay.
can't prove it. Just give me ammo real
shoot
quick
it.
and I'll prove it. The other gun has ammo too.
Dump it out. Okay.
Is it fine if you offer something else though? Cause I'm giving you 2 items.
I don't really want 2 items, but okay. Demon sword.
Unless you just want the gun.
I'll just take the gun.
The pistol?
Yeah.
Okay.
Dump it out.
Yeah.
Damn it. Now I have to refill it.
This also has ammo. I could just buy it.
Okay.
I could just buy a new one. This has ammo. Let me go ahead and get a new one because this one's it all.
Okay.
It's in the back.
Wait, let me check. Nobody's
Hold
in
up,
here.
dump yours out again. Let me see. No one's in here. Let me see.
Oh,
I'm offline too.
I'm offline, I think. Am I offline? Let me
And you
check.
can-
I'm online. I'm off.
Ready to
Okay.
trade? Hold up, you could check your hip slots.
I only own 1 hip slot, so I don't own this one.
I own both,
I
but you
don't
can
know
see I have nothing there.
Okay.
Can you throw your grappler away because I feel like you're gonna grapple over, and then like, hold up, let me try something.
Okay.
There. Ready? 3.
W Trader.
Nice,
So-
good trade, good trade.
Everybody, you
Back inside
can
the bag.
trust him. This is his username. You can trust him, and you can actually have your item back. I'm recording a video.
Nice.
So yeah. And bye guys. That's it for today. Yeah. Bye.